Okay, so in the last class we have discussed the different types of number system. We have explained the concept of conversion of one form of number system to another form of number system. I hope it is clear. Then we have discussed about signed numbers, what is unsigned numbers. Okay, so can someone tell me what is signed numbers? What is signed numbers?
Which has sign negative or positive.
Which has sign plus it also has magnitude. Okay, so any number which has two things, one, it is the sign of the number, and other is the magnitude. Okay, so such type of numbers are generally called as sign numbers. Okay, so we have seen what are the different sign numbers, how to represent sign numbers in computers. So in computers, generally sign numbers follows which method? Is it one's complement or two's complement?
Two's
It
complement.
is
Two's complement.
two's complement. Okay, because what is the reason? Because it does not generate
Minus zero.
minus zero. Okay, so because of that reason, we generally try to store whatever the data which is generally in this form of signed numbers, we try to store it in the form of two's complement. Okay, so the next topic that we'll be discussing is called as binary arithmetic. Okay, binary arithmetic. Okay, so from here onwards, whatever we'll be discussing, that will be completely based on binary operation. Okay, so we'll be just talking about one and zeros. Okay, so I'm sure you know how to convert it from one zeros में से अगर आपको octal में convert करना होगा, hexadecimal में करना होगा, decimal में करना होगा, I'm sure you'll know how to do it. Okay, so from now onwards, whatever we'll be learning will be completely based on one and zeros. Okay, so write down the next topic as binary arithmetic. Okay, so the first thing that we'll be learning in arithmetic is basically called as addition. Okay, so what is addition? It does what and what? I can say I can add a plus b, where a is nothing but it is a and b is nothing but these are called as
Operator.
operands, and this plus is nothing but called as
Operator.
Operator.
operator, and the whole thing is called as
Expression.
expression, or you can call it as a operation, or you can also call it as a instruction. Okay, so this is nothing but instruction. Okay, so the first thing that we'll be learning is basically called as addition. So अगर मुझे a और b को add करना है, okay, and so that a is a binary digit and b is also a binary digit, so how does it follow? Okay, so we'll draw some truth table. Okay, so we have got a, we have got b, from that we can generate sum, and from that we can generate carry. So any addition that we'll do, that addition will have sum and carry. Okay, so for example, let's say I want to add 55. हाँ,
उनको बोला next lectures will be of this 80 automata fee.
okay,
And इनको नहीं है ना तो automata
okay, okay, is it audible to you guys? The
Sure, sir.
the next lecture will be automata theory. Okay, so maths 4 will not be there. It will be automata theory.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So we have got a 55 as one of the digit, and let's say 27. If I want to perform this as the addition, which is a normal decimal that I'm talking about, so how we do it? So we get 7 plus 5 is 12. So 2 I'll put it over here, 1 I'll put into carry. 5 plus 2 is nothing but 7. 7 plus 1 is nothing but 8. Okay, so what we generally get is one part is basically called as sum, and the other part is basically called as carry. Just similarly in binary also will be getting exactly same thing. Okay, so अगर आप देखोगे truth table में there is a way of writing down the different uh, the different possibilities. Okay, so basically when we are talking about a and b, okay, यानी दो input की बात कर रहे हैं, so दो input में कितने possibility होंगे in binary? If you are talking about, what are the different possibility that I can have? if I've got
Zero zero.
if I've got exactly 2 bit, okay, एक बिट एक डेटा का और दूसरा बिट दूसरे डेटा के लिए, तो ये दो बिट से कितने पॉसिबिलिटी आएंगे? हाउ मेनी पॉसिबिलिटी विल बी देयर इन टोटल? सो इट इज 2 raised to 2, which is equal to 4.
4.
So what are the different possibility that I can have? I can have 0 0, good, उसके बाद
0 1
0 उसके
1
बाद
0
1 0 and
1
One
1.
1
one.
1. So we'll just try out all the possibility and we'll find out what is the sum for that respective possibility. So if I have 0 plus 0, if I have 0 plus 0, what will be the answer? What will be the sum of it?
0
0.
Zero.
What will be the carry generated?
Zero.
0
Zero.
If I've got 0 plus 1, what will be the sum for this?
One.
1. What will be the carry for this?
Zero.
0
0. If I have 1 0, what will be the sum generated?
One.
1
1. And what will be the carry generated?
0.
0.
0. If I have 1 plus 1, what will be the sum?
0.
Sorry, 0.
It will be 0. How it will be? 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. In binary, 2 is represented as 1 and 0. So
One.
this is nothing but your sum, and this will be nothing but your carry. So sum will be 0, and carry will be
1.
1.
1. So please just write down somewhere in your book. This is the truth table for addition of two binary digit. Okay, so this is the operation that it performs is nothing but a plus b. So this is the truth table for a plus b. Just write it down in your book. Anybody has a doubt in this? किसी को कुछ पूछना है?
No, sir.
Okay, so guys, based on this, can you make a truth table of 3 inputs, a plus b plus c? बना सकते हो?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do
Yes,
it.
sir.
Do it on that. Just find the sum and find the carry for it. Okay, so how to make it? So since we have got 3 different inputs that we have A, we have B, and we have C.
C.
We'll get again 2 as the output. One will be called as sum, another will be called as carry. Okay, so if we have got 3 bit, what will be the total different combination that I can have? Total number of combination that I can have? It is
8.
2 raised to 3 is
8.
8. So the first combination will be 0, 0, 0. The easiest one is you write down 4 zeros and 4 ones. Then you write 2 zeros, 2 1, 2 zeros, 2 1. And then 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is how you basically complete the whole different combinations that you have. Okay. So if you have 0 plus 0 plus 0, what will be the sum?
0.
0.
0.
Carry will be
0.
0. If we have 0 plus 0 plus 1, what will be the sum?
1.
It will be 1. Carry will be
0.
0.
0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is
1.
1.
One.
Carry is
0.
0.
0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So what will be the sum?
0.
0. Carry
1.
1.
1. 1 plus 0 is 0. 1. 1 0 plus 1 plus 0 is nothing but again 1. So what is the sum?
1.
1.
1.
Carry
0.
0. What about this case? Sum is
Sum 0.
0.
0.
carry is
1.
1.
1. What about this case?
Sum 0.
Sum 0.
Carry 1.
Carry 1.
Carry 1.
Carry
What about
1.
this case? What about this case now? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is nothing but 3. 3 in binary is represented as
1.
1. So what will be sum? What will be carry?
1.
1.
1
1.
and 1.
One.
Is that clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this is for 3 bit. So if you know about 2 bit, it is quite easy to calculate for 3 bit. 3 bit के बाद 4 bit, it will be exactly similar. Nothing changes. Okay. So just your different combination will keep on changing. Okay. So बाकी सब चीज exactly same होगी. So this is your summation. This is how you do addition. Okay. Next that we'll be learning is called as subtraction. Okay. So हमें subtraction देखना है. Okay. So subtraction करने के लिए we'll get a minus b. So again we'll do the same thing. We have got A ka different combination. We can get B ka different combination. We'll get subtraction, and the fourth column is borrow. Okay. But in COA, जब आप architecture में जब जाओगे, so borrow and carry is using the same bit. Okay. So दोनों को interchangeably आप use कर सकते हो. You can either call them both as carry or you can call them both as borrow, और आप interchangeably भी बुला सकते हो. But generally, borrow is generally referred as carry. Okay, when we talk about architecture part. Okay, abhi nahi, filhal ke liye nahi, but when we go into that subject, then in that case it will be called as carry again. Yeah. So what are the different combination that I can have? I can have two zeros, then two ones. B will be 0 1 0 1. Okay, so these are the different combination. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So tell me, if you perform A minus B, what will you get? Subtraction as 0 minus 0 is
0.
0.
Zero.
Borrow
0.
0.
0. You don't have to borrow anything. 0 में से 1 अगर आपको निकालना है तो what will be subtraction? 0 में से 1 निकालना है तो what will be the subtraction?
-1.
नहीं, तो आपको borrow लेना पड़ेगा ना.
हाँ.
So इसका
Yes,
मतलब
sir.
क्या होगा? इसका मतलब क्या होगा? borrow 1 हो जाएगा. अब 1 आ चुका है A के पास. अब क्या हो जाएगा? subtraction 1 में से 1 गया तो
0.
0.
इज इट क्लियर? जैसे नॉर्मली हम मैथ्स में करते हैं, बाइनरी में करते हैं, डेसिमल में करते हैं, विल डू दैट. लेट्स से 72 नंबर है मेरे पास एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 45. सो व्हाट आई डू, मैं इसमें से एक निकालता हूँ, इट विल बिकम 6 और मैं इसको एक बोरो देता हूँ. आई एम ट्राइंग टू रिड्यूस 12 में से 5 को मैं निकालने की कोशिश करता हूँ. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट, if I want to subtract 0 में से 1, I need to take a borrow first. So मैंने borrow वहाँ पे डाल दिया. अब उसके पास क्या आ गया? It is now 1. Okay, so 1 में से 1 गया तो क्या आएगा आंसर?
0.
0. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. उसके बाद आगे क्या होगा? 1 में से 0 गया तो क्या मिलेगा आपको? I think
1.
it is 1.
1.
And what about borrow?
0.
0.
0.
Okay. 1 में से 1 गया तो subtraction is
0.
0.
0. Borrow is
1.
0.
borrow is
0.
0.
borrow is 0.
0.
Is this clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear?
Yes.
Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So over here, I think एक जगह पे गलती हुआ है. This part over here will be having 1. Okay, because 1 0 is nothing but it is 2. From 2 you're trying to remove 1. बराबर ना? I'll just repeat it. 0 में से 1 निकालना है आपको. So how it will be? You'll have to take a carry. So now it becomes what? 1 0 in binary is nothing but what?
2.
1 0 in binary is nothing but 2. From 2 you're trying to remove 1. 2 में से 1 अगर जाएगा तो क्या आएगा? 1. So that is why it should be 1 over here. So there will be 1 borrow, there will be 1 subtraction. Is that clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the truth table for subtraction. Okay. So once this is clear, we'll now perform some addition and subtraction. Okay, we'll perform some addition and subtraction. Yeah. So we need to perform addition of 7 plus 5. Okay, what is the answer? You know what is the answer? 7 plus 5 is nothing but
12.
you need to do this using binary operations. So 7 को represent करो, 5 को represent करो, and try to perform the addition of it. So what is 7?
0 triple 1.
0 triple 1. Good. What is 5?
0 1 0.
0 1 0 1.
What will you get as the output? Perform the addition of it. 1 plus 1 is 1 plus 1 is
0
Two.
1 carry.
0 and 1 carry. Good. Now 1 plus 1 is again 0,
0.
carry 1.
1.
Now we have 1 plus 1 plus 1. What is this? 3. 3 is nothing but 1 and 1. Yeah? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, 1 plus 0 plus 0. What is this? It will be
1. 12.
it is nothing but 12. Is this clear?
Yes,
Is this
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
1. Perform the addition of this number. The answer should be 63. Get it right.
Sir, answer is 6 times 1.
6 times 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 6 times 1 को अगर मैं बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करूं तो दिस इज नथिंग बट 1, दिस इज 2, दिस इज 4, this is 8, 16, 32. Try to add everything. What we'll get? So 16 plus 4 is nothing but 20. 8 plus 2 is nothing but 10. 30, 30 plus 32 is 62. 62 plus 1 is 63. Yeah. Everybody is getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Another random number. Okay. We'll do it for hexadecimal. Okay. We'll try to do it hexadecimal. So A5 plus 72. These are all hexadecimal number. Okay. Try to get its answer. If you know the conversion, I'm sure you'll know how to do it. It is much more simpler for doing compared to decimal. Can someone tell me how to write A5? How to write A5 in binary? How to write A? Someone speak. A को कैसे लिखोगे आप बाइनरी में?
0 1 0
1 0 1 0. Good. 5 को कैसे लिखोगे? This is how we write
0
A5.
0
0 1 0.
1 हाँ
बराबर ना? 7 को कैसे लिखोगे आप बाइनरी में?
1 1 1 0 1 1
0 1 1. You have to make a combination of 4 binary. Hexadecimal में हमेशा combination of 4 में रहेगा. 2 को कैसे लिखोगे? How to write 2? 0 0 1
0
0. Yeah.
Yes.
Just simply add it. So क्या होगा? It is 1, it is 1, it is 1 0. So this is nothing but 7. And then 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0. Carry 1. Then 0 carry 1. And then 0 carry 1. So what we'll get as the output? What we'll get as output? What is this? What is this? 0. It is
1.
1. And you'll get 1 as the carry. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? It is 117. This is what you'll get as the answer. Is this clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Now do for octal also. Just do for finish it up for octal as well. So 72 plus, let's say, take smaller number, 42 plus 27. Do for this. These are all both octal numbers. Okay, these are both octal numbers. 7 के बाद क्या आएगा? 8 नहीं आता वापस. It will become 1 0 1 1. So 1 यहाँ पे जाएगा. 4 plus 2 6 and 7 71. Get it using binary. So 4 can be written. 42 can be written down as
1 0 1 0 1 0
1 0 0. 4 is written down as 1 0 0. 2 is written down as 0 1 0. Is this how we write? 42.
no sir 1 0 1 0 1 0
वैसा कैसे किया आपने? आपको ये दिस इज नॉट डेसिमल, दिस इज नॉट डेसिमल, दिस इज ऑक्टल. ऑक्टल में क्या होता है? एक डिजिट को आप 3 बाइनरी के रिप्रेजेंटेशन से आप रिप्रेजेंट कराते हो. तो 4 कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड एज 1 0 0 and 2 can be represented as 0 1 0. You don't have to take out the LCM of it.
okay
समझ में आया ना? It is that is why I've been saying कि octal और hexadecimal is one of the easiest one to do it. 27 को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कराओगे? You have to make a group of 3. So 2 को रिप्रेजेंट कराने के लिए आपको 0 1 0 यूज करना पड़ेगा. And 7 को रिप्रेजेंट कराने के लिए क्या होगा? It will be 1 1 1. Okay, you have got this. Now get the answer. 0 plus 1 1 is nothing but it is 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but it is 0 carry 1. Okay, so this is nothing but 1 that we have got. Now 1 over here we'll get this 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. This 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. So this is nothing but 7. So what we'll get as the answer? What we'll get as the answer? 71. What we were supposed to get? We were supposed to get 71 only. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
सेम इज द केस ओवर हियर आल्सो। अगर आप नॉर्मल ऐड करोगे 5 + 2 क्या होता है हेक्साडेसिमल में, 5 + 2 क्या होता है, 5 के बाद क्या आएगा 6 और 7, तो वी गेट 7। ए के बाद क्या आएगा, ए के बाद विल गेट बी, बी के बाद सी, सी के बाद डी, डी के बाद ई, ई के बाद एफ, एफ के बाद 1 0 and then we get 1 1. So what we'll get as the
Sir.
answer 117. हाँ yes,
सर 42 + 27 तो 69 होगा ना?
42 plus
69 होगा।
that is for decimal. I've been saying ना 42 + 27 ये मैं डेसिमल में अगर करूंगा तो क्या होगा, 2 + 7 कितना हो जाएगा 9,
9
4 + 2 is nothing but 6।
6
क्या ऑक्टल में 9 होता है क्या? Is there
नहीं
some?
नहीं नहीं नहीं
So it cannot be
Okay.
right, it cannot be right. So मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, this is something which is called as octal, this is something which is called as octal। मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, this 4 I need to convert into binary। कैसे मैं कन्वर्ट करूंगा, 4 को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए मुझे बाइनरी में 1 0 0 लिखना पड़ेगा, 2 को रिप्रेजेंट कराने के लिए मुझे क्या लिखना पड़ेगा 0 1 0। या तो दूसरा तरीका अप्रोच फॉलो करो, 42 को मैं क्या करूंगा, I'll keep on dividing by 8, get the answer, 8 6 8 5 are 40, yeah, what is sorry
8 6 are 42
This
no
is
no
not
sorry
how
8 5 are 40 बराबर
ये तरीका नहीं है, बट या 42 को आपको कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको हाँ, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, ये जो 4 है आपका, इस 4 को आपको बाइनरी में लिखना पड़ेगा। 4 को बाइनरी में मैं कैसे लिखूंगा, इनटू अ ग्रुप ऑफ 3, 3 के बिट में ही मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा, 3 बिट में ही लिखना पड़ेगा। तो कैसे लिखूंगा मैं 4 को, इज दिस हाउ आई राइट 1 0 0
yes sir
Yes.
and 2 can be written down as 0 1 0, so this is nothing but 4, this is nothing but 2, yeah, yes।
Yes.
27 को मैं कैसे लिखूंगा, हाउ टू राइट 27, हाउ टू राइट 27, it is 0 1 0, 7 can be written down as 1 1,
1
try to add it, what will get, 0 + 1 is what, yeah, binary हो गया, it is 1, 1 + 1 is nothing but 0, carry 1, 0 1 + 1 is nothing but again 0, carry 1, this one will come down, this one will come down, this one will come down, so this is nothing but, now try to again convert back to octal, so what 111 यानी क्या हो जाएगा octal में 7, 0 0 1 is nothing but 1, so what will get as the answer is 71, okay। अभी मैं या 42 अगर लॉजिकली भी बात किया जाए, 42 + 27 अगर किया जाए, ओके, आई वांट टू ऐड इट, ये दोनों ऑक्टल है, ओके, बोथ आर ऑक्टल, सो 7 + 2 करना है मुझे, so 7 के बाद क्या आता है ऑक्टल में, डू यू गाइस नो what will come after 7?
1 0
it is 1 0, just like decimal में after 9 comes 1 0, 9 के बाद 10 आता है, just like octal में 7 के बाद क्या आएगा 1 0, yeah, yes,
yes sir
okay, I'll quickly turn on my camera, ये चीज बहुत बार इशू होती है, okay, yeah, am I visible to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
So let's say अगर मुझे octal में I want to do 2 + 2, so this is 2, I need to add 2 + 2, what will get as answer, 2 के बाद क्या आएगा, I'll get 3 and I'll get 4, no issues, 2 + 2 is nothing but 4 in octal। I want to add let's say 4 + 3, 4 के बाद क्या आएगा 5 6 and 7, so 4 + 3 is nothing but I'm getting 7 as the answer। let's say now I want to do 5 + 5 in octal, so 5 के बाद क्या आएगा, 5 के बाद क्या आएगा 6, 6 के बाद 7, 7 के बाद 7 के बाद
1 0
10, 10 के बाद 11, 11 के बाद 12, are you guys getting it? So 5 + 5 in octal is nothing but it is 12, is it clear?
yes
Okay, we'll now solve it for hexadecimal। hexadecimal में 5 + 5 is what, sorry 2 + 2, we'll start with 2 + 2 hexadecimal। 2 + 2 is what, 2 के बाद 3, 3 के बाद 4, 4 is there in hexadecimal, it is allowed, yes it is there।
Yes.
4 + 4, we'll do 4 + 4, 4 + 4 is what, 5 6 7 and 8, so 4 + 4 is nothing but 8। let's do for 4 + 5, 4 + 5 या 5 + 4, 5 के बाद क्या आएगा 6 7 8 9, 9 is also there, okay, in hexadecimal it is allowed। now let's do 5 + 5, what will get, 5 के बाद 6 7 8 9, hexadecimal में क्या आता है 9 के बाद, is it 10 or is it
A
10.
so it will be 5 + 5 is nothing but A, okay। लेट्स से 5 प्लस 7, 7 प्लस 5 करना है तो क्या आएगा? 7 के बाद 8, 9, 10, 10 का मतलब क्या होता है हेक्साडेसिमल में? इट इज
A.
A के बाद B, B के बाद C.
C.
So what will be the answer? 7 plus 5 is nothing but
C.
C. Is this clear? Is it getting clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now let's do last calculation. A plus 6. I want to do A plus 6. So A के बाद क्या आएगा? B, B के बाद क्या आएगा? C, C के बाद क्या आएगा? D, D के बाद क्या आएगा? E, E के बाद क्या आएगा?
F.
के बाद F, and last क्या आएगा? F के बाद क्या आ जाएगा? 6th one. What will be 6th one?
10.
It will be 10. So A plus 6 is nothing but it is 10. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
sir.
So अगर ये clear है, I'll just close my video. We'll go back to the slide. अगर ये clear है, so now we'll not be converting into decimal binary. We'll just directly do it. Okay. So I'll take another random number. Let's say 56.
और student present में है.
Sorry. Okay, visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So अगर मुझे 56 plus let's say 26 करना है, okay, octal में, what will be the answer? Both are octal. So 6 के बाद 6 क्या आएगा? 6 के बाद 7, 7 के बाद 7 के
1
बाद
0 1
1
0
0, 1 0 के बाद 1 1, 1 1 के बाद 1 2, 1 2 के बाद 1 3, उसके बाद 1 4. So what will be the answer? 6 6 will be equal to 6 plus 6 in octal is nothing but it is equal to.
1 4.
Is it coming as 1 4?
Yes, sir.
So 1 4 का 4 नीचे रह जाएगा, 1 will going to carry. Yeah. 5 plus 2 is nothing but 7. 7 plus 1 is nothing but 7 plus 1 is nothing but it is 1 0. So 0 will be over here, 1 will be carry, so 1 will come down. So it is nothing but 104. We'll try to do in binary now. अगर इसको binary में करेंगे तो कैसे करेंगे? How to write down 56 in binary? Something which is in octal, write down in binary. 5 कैसे लिखोगे आप binary में? 1 0 1. You need to make a group of 3. You need to make a group of 3. 6 को 3 में 3 के ग्रुप में लिखोगे तो कैसे होगा? It will be
1 1 0.
1 1 0. Yeah. So this is nothing but 56. 26 को अगर आपको लिखना है तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? 2 कैसे लिखोगे? 0 1 0. Again 6 is nothing but 1 1 0. Try to add it and check whether it is coming as 104. So 0
Yes,
plus
sir.
0 is what? 0 is plus 0. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but it is coming as 1. Carry 1. This is nothing but 0. Carry 1. 0 carry 1. 0 carry 1. So this is nothing but 4. This is nothing but 0. This is nothing as 104. Yes. क्या आना चाहिए था? 104. So that means we can get the answer in both the cases. Is it clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll do for one last for hexadecimal. We'll do for one more last for hexadecimal. Yeah. 2c plus 1 6. Do this. What should be the answer? तो c के बाद क्या आएगा? Count 6 times. c के बाद क्या आएगा? d. d के बाद क्या आएगा? e. e के बाद क्या आएगा? f. f के बाद 1 0 1 1 1 2. So what is the answer that I get? 1 2. So 1 2 में से 1 will going to carry, 2 will come down. 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4. So we are supposed to get 42. Get the same answer using binary. कैसे आएगा? How to write 2 in hexadecimal? So in octal we were making a combination of 3 bits. Over here we'll make a combination of each digit is represented by 4 bits.
4 bit.
So how to represent 2 in 4 bits?
double 0 1 0
1 0 1 0. How to represent c? C is nothing but
1 1 0 0.
c is nothing but 12. So it is 1 1 0 0. How to represent 1? 0 0 1. How to represent 6?
0 1
0 1 1 0.
0 1 1 0. Now perform the addition. Check. Are we getting the same answer? So 0 plus 0 is nothing but 0. 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0. Carry 1. 0. Carry 1. This is nothing but 0. Carry 1. 0. Carry 1. 1. 0. Are we getting 4 and 2? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is how we get the answer. Okay. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do final one. 1A plus 77 hexadecimal. Do it on your own. Tell me by the normal method. What will be the answer for this?
20,
7 plus A is what?
10,
Is it coming as 10? A के बाद क्या आएगा? B के बाद क्या आएगा? C के बाद क्या आएगा?
11.
It is 11.
11.
So one will be at sum and one will be go to carry. This is 11, right?
Yes.
Yeah. After that, 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is
9.
9. So 91 should be the answer. Are you getting through binary also?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Okay. Okay. आगे चले. We'll go to the subtraction part. Is the sum part clear to you?
Yes, sir.
In the subtraction part, we'll do exactly the same. यही चीज वापस करनी है, but through some other way. Okay. थोड़ा घूम के आना है, but we'll do at the end we'll do subtraction. Addition only. Okay. We don't have to do subtraction. So we'll be using the concept of ones complement, two's complement. Okay. Yeah. So write down the next topic as subtraction using ones complement and two's complement. Okay. Though one's complement is not at all used, but it is there in the syllabus. That is why we'll be discussing about it. But generally, आगे जितना भी subtraction होगा, that has to be happen through two's complement only. Because we have agreed that two's complement is the best one. So what is the need of studying about one's complement? I don't know the reason, but since it is there in the syllabus, we need to study about it. Okay. Yeah. So let's say how it works. Basically, I'll just explain for the one's complement. पहले मैं one's complement बताता हूँ. उसके बाद we'll go to two's complement. Okay. So let's say I want to subtract one digit from another. Okay. So I want to subtract A minus B. Okay. So what is the first step that we do? What is the first step that basically we do? The first step is that if you want to subtract one digit from the first digit, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? जो second digit है उसको उसका ones complement लेना पड़ेगा. So what is the first thing that we do? Take ones complement of B. So after taking ones complement of B, what we'll get as the answer? कोई भी digit का अगर उसका complement लिया जाता है, so what is that number? What it will become? It will become
Convert into 0 to 1.
it will become minus B. It will become minus B. If we take any digit का complement, it will become naturally it will become
9.
negative number. So B का complement is nothing but minus B. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Second step, अगर मैंने नेगेटिव नंबर निकाल लिया, अभी मुझे नेगेटिव नंबर मैंने निकाल लिया और मुझे अभी सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है, तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा अगले स्टेप में? What I need to do? If I just add to this, if I just add A to it, can I get A minus B?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what is the next step? What is the next step? Is it add or is it subtract?
Add.
It is add A to minus B. Add A to minus B. This is step number 2. Is this clear why we are doing add in subtraction? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Step number 3. Step number 3. If there is a carry, okay, there can be a carry generated, right? If there is a carry, then add carry to the result. Okay, अगर carry आया तो क्या करोगे? वही carry को result में वापस add कर दोगे. Okay, this is the first thing that you need to do. The result is positive and it is actually its magnitude. Okay, what is the meaning of this? The meaning is जो भी result आया आपका, अगर उसके अंदर carry है, okay, सबसे पहले वो carry को क्या करोगे? आप add कर दोगे result के अंदर, और ये जो result होगा आपका, अब ये result is nothing but it is a positive number that you are getting, and it is actually its magnitude. Okay, it is एक्चुअली इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड, उसको कुछ और आपको दूसरे फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. वॉट एवर इज द नंबर, that is your actual number that is supposed to get. Is that clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the second condition? This is the first condition. The second condition is if there is a carry or there is no carry.
No
No
carry.
carry.
If there is no carry, then the number is what? Number is what? Negative or positive?
Negative.
The number is negative and its value will be the ones complement of the number. Okay, so जो अगर आपको जो भी रिजल्ट आया और उसके अंदर उस रिजल्ट के अंदर अगर कैरी नहीं है, that means that number is negative. First of all, that is the first conclusion. Second, that is not its actual value. In order to get its actual value, ones complement. So उसका ones complement निकालोगे and whatever is the value that you get, that is now its actual value. Is that clear? Is this clear?
Yes.
So please note down this step. If you have, I'll be sharing this again. I'll be uploading on the YouTube, but I'll be uploading at the end of the week. So if you have your mobile phone, kindly just take a snapshot of it. Okay, this is the algorithm for subtraction using ones complement. So what is the first step? First step is takes ones complement of the b. क्यों लेते हैं हम लोग? ताकि वो माइनस बी में कन्वर्ट हो जाए. आफ्टर डूइंग दैट यू नीड टू जस्ट ऐड ए टू इट. ओके, ऐड करने के बाद आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? रिजल्ट जो भी मिलेगा उसके अंदर दो पॉसिबिलिटी है, आइदर कैरी होगा या नहीं होगा. If there is a carry, in that case you just need to add the carry to the result. Okay, once the carry is being added to the result, whatever is the number, that number is its actual magnitude and the number is always positive. The second condition is if there is a carry which is not been generated, agar carry generated nahi hua hai, in that case the number is negative, that is for sure, and the actual value of the number is not the result but it's one's complement. Is it clear? Is that clear?
सर
Yes.
सर ऐसा भी हो सकता है क्या कि कैरी भी है और नंबर नेगेटिव भी?
ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है.
नहीं है, ठीक है.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, ठीक है. We'll take some example and we'll understand it. Okay, so let's say I want to subtract 7 minus 2. Okay, both are decimal numbers. So 7 minus 2, what should be the answer? Decimal में 7 minus 2 क्या होता है? 5. So what is the easiest thing that we need to do? हम लोग क्या करेंगे? एडिशन ही करना है, बट कैसे करेंगे? 7 plus of minus 2. Again we'll get the exactly same answer, which is 5. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Now tell me the binary representation of 7. How to represent 7?
0 triple 1.
0 triple 1. How to represent 2?
0 0 1 0.
0 0 1 0. How to represent minus 2? Take its one complement, because we are studying about the ones complement method. So how to take one complement? Minus 2 कैसे आएगा? 2 का complement लेना है. So what will be the 2's का complement? So whatever is the digit, just take its
Reverse.
just take its reverse. Just flip it. So what will be the digit for this? It will be 1. This will be 0. This will be 1. This will be 1. So this is what you get as the minus 2. This is what you get as a minus 2. So add 7 and add the minus 2. You'll get something which is 5. We'll just do that. So it is 0 1 1 1 and the second digit is 1 1 0 1. Just try to add it. So 1 plus 1 is what?
0 carry 1.
0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0 carry 1. What is this? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is nothing but 1 carry 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but now
0.
0 and there is a carry, right? There is a carry. So as per the condition, if there is a carry, what we need to do? What we need to do? What we need to do? Add the carry. Add the carry.
Add the result.
So just add the carry. What will get? 1 0 1 0. So what is its value? If there is a
5.
carry, that means the number is positive, and whatever is the value that you are getting, that is actual value. So it is nothing but it is plus 5. Are we supposed to get plus 5 only?
सर
Yes.
सर
Yes. Yes.
सर वो 7 minus 2 डायरेक्ट भी किया सब्ट्रैक्शन तो भी 5 आ रहा है ना, मतलब
आएगा
डेसिमल
आएगा
में.
आएगा आएगा बट डायरेक्ट सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के लिए आई बीइंग सेइंग दैट लास्ट में मैंने बताया था, आई विल गो इनटू दैट डिटेल. कंप्यूटर के अंदर you need to make these circuits. Okay, there is a component which is called as ALU. Heard about this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Okay, was I out of the session? बाहर चला गया था क्या मैं?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
मैं इतनी देर से कंसेप्ट समझा रहा हूँ, मेरे को लगा आप लोग का रिस्पॉन्स क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? Yeah. The question that who asked, who was the person who has asked the question? I wasn't able to say it. किसने पूछा था? Can I get the name?
Sir, Ayan.
What is your name?
Ayan से.
Ayan. Okay. So Ayan asked the question कि सर हम लोग subtraction भी कर रहे हैं, यानी 2 minus 1 भी कर रहे हैं, तो आंसर हमें 1 ही मिल रहा है. So what is the need of doing this? What is the need of using 1's complement? The major reason for doing that is basically computer has CPU. Everybody agrees that. What is CPU?
Yes, sir.
It is central processing
Unit.
यूनिट. सो सीपीयू को अगर आप और जूम करोगे, यानी सीपीयू को जब आप खोलोगे, उस सीपीयू के अंदर यू विल गेट अ प्रोसेसर इनटू इट. एक प्रोसेसर होगा. ओके, प्रोसेसर को जूम करोगे, इट विल हैव टू पार्ट इनटू इट. one is called as a arithmetic logical unit and other is called as a CU, which is control unit. Okay, arithmetic logic unit को अगर आप जूम करोगे, okay, यानी इसके अंदर arithmetic logic unit के अंदर अगर आप जाओगे, there will be numerous circuits. छोटे छोटे सर्किट्स होंगे. Okay, this circuit will be called as adder circuit, one will be called as AND circuit, other will be called as OR circuit, XOR circuit. ऐसे बहुत सारे सर्किट होंगे. Okay, एंड और पे रिप्लेस हो जाएगा, इट विल बी कॉल्ड एज नैंड एंड नॉर. ओके, ये आगे पढ़ेंगे क्यों आखिर वो सब्ट्रैक्ट होता है. देयर शुड बी अ सब्ट्रैक्टर सर्किट. ओके, ऐसे बहुत सारे सर्किट होंगे. व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू इज, बिकॉज ऑफ 2's complement, because of the concept of 2's complement, because of the concept of 1's complement, which is now replaced by 2's complement, because of that complement we are able to remove this complete circuit. अगर एक सर्किट रिमूव कर पा रहे हो एक प्रोसेसर में से, is it a good thing or is it a bad thing?
Good things.
Good thing.
Yeah, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
if I somehow manage to remove one of the circuits, अगर मैं एक सर्किट को भी रिमूव कर पाता हूँ, is this a good thing or it is a bad thing, and what is the reason for it? एक सर्किट मैंने रिमूव किया, is it a good or is it bad?
It is a good.
It is good. What is the reason why it is good?
Space बचेगा सर्किट उसमें
Okay,
ALU में.
स्पेस बच जाएगा. ठीक है, स्पेस थोड़ा मतलब मेरा अभी फिलहाल वी आर यूजिंग नैनो चिप्स, सो 7 नैनोमीटर का हमारा चिप हो रहा है स्नैपड्रैगन का. ओके, लास्ट जनरेशन वाज 8-9 नैनोमीटर. सो ये हम कैसे कर पा रहे हैं, बिकॉज वी आर ट्राइंग टू रिमूव दैट कॉम्प्लिसिटी और वो सब एक एक सर्किट हम कम कर पा रहे हैं. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट स्पेस बचा लिया. उसके अलावा circuit कम हुआ, can I reduce the power consumption also?
Yes.
So power consumption मेरा कम हो गया. उसके अलावा cost, can I reduce the cost, overall cost of the processor?
Yes.
Yes.
So ये सब बच जाता है आपका अगर आप एक कंसेप्ट सीख लेते हो which is called as one's complement. So the reason of studying one's complement is because of all these reasons. So we are just trying to remove that circuit. That is the whole purpose of studying about one's complement is two's complement. वरना normally भी हो जाता. But that is the advantage that we get. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So ठीक है. We'll take another example. Okay. I think 5 मिनट ही बचा है. Yeah. So perform 9 minus 4 and get the answer. Both are decimal. So what should be the answer? Answer should be 5. Get the answer. So 9 can be written down as how 9 can be written down as it is
1 0 0
1 0 0
0
1. 4 can be written down as
0 1 0 0.
0 1 0 0. Minus 4 can be written down as we need to take one's complement. Okay. यहाँ पे जो -4 है that is equal to nothing but 1's complement. So how to take 1's complement? 4 का 1 complement लो क्या आएगा? It will be 0 is
1
1
0
is 0
1
1 1 0 1 1. Okay. Now just try to add these two numbers. ये दो number को add करो. So what will get 1 0 0 1 and 1 0 1 1. Try to add it. What will get? 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0.
0.
Carry 1 0 carry
0.
1
1.
1 over
0.
here 0 carry 1.
Carry 1.
So this 1 is there. You need to add to the original number. So add it. What will get as the output? 1 0 1
0.
0.
1 0.
So since there was a carry, that means the number was positive, and whatever is the value that you have got, that it's true magnitude. So it is nothing but it is 5. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll do other way around. Okay, हम लोग 4 में से 9 को निकालने की कोशिश करेंगे. What will be the answer that we should be getting now? It will be
-5.
-5. Okay, both are decimal. Okay, both are decimal. Yeah, do the calculation. So क्या करेंगे? 4. What is the value of 4? 4 is nothing but 0 1 0 0. What is 9? 9 is nothing but 1 0 0 1. What is -9? What is -9? Just do the flipping. Just do the complement of it. Okay, so क्या हो जाएगा? This will become 0. This will become 1 1 0.
0.
Okay, now try to add these two numbers. So what will get? 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. Add it. We'll get 0. We'll get 1. We'll get 0. Carry 1. What will get as over here? 1. Is there a carry?
No.
No.
Since there is no carry, that means the number is
Negative.
for
Negative.
sure negative.
Negative.
Is this the true value? No, it is not the true value. In order to get true value, what you need to do?
One's complement.
Take its one complement. So take its one complement. So this will become 1. This 1 will become 0. This 0 will become 1. This 1 will become 0. So what is this number? What is this number? 0 1 0 1. It is 5. So it will be -5. Is this clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes,
this clear?
sir.
Yeah. Sorry, my bad. Yeah. Just
सर
do-
जब भी सर
Sorry?
जब ये आंसर नेगेटिव आने वाला है तो 2 बार 1's कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेना पड़ेगा और पॉजिटिव रहेगा तो सिर्फ एक ही बार लेना पड़ेगा.
जब आंसर नेगेटिव आने वाला है तो 2 बार कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेना पड़ेगा. हाँ,
Once,
2 बार
one.
बराबर. पहली बार तो पहली बार कॉम्प्लीमेंट इसलिए लिया जाता है ताकि आप एडिशन ही कर सको, एंड दूसरी बार इसलिए करते हो अगर आपका कैरी आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा. या
ओके सर.
just do for 3 minus 7. Get the answer. 3 minus 7. Do for 3 minus 7. What is the answer that you are supposed to get? Minus 4. Do it. Everybody, please do it on your own. Okay.
Done, sir.
Aya, -4?
Done. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, can you do this for this one? -3 minus 3. The answer should be -6. Can you do for this?
Yes, sir.
Do it for your homework. We'll quickly, because we are running out of time, we'll quickly go to the next topic. Okay. The next topic that I was supposed to do is we'll be doing the same subtraction, but in this case, instead of 1's complement, we'll be using what?
2's complement.
2's complement. So just make a small change over here. So just write down the next algorithm for doing the subtraction using 2's complement. Okay. So this is, we are talking about 2's complement. So we'll be doing the same thing, which is a minus b, but we are trying to using 2's complement. So what are the different changes that it will happen? So instead of taking 1's complement of b, what we'll be doing over here?
2's complement.
Take 2's complement. Okay. So यहाँ पे हम लोग को सबसे पहला step जो होगा, take 2's complement of b. So after taking 2's complement of b, what we'll get? It will be minus b only. Minus b ही मिलेगा हमें. Okay. After that, step number 2. Will there be any changes in step number 2? Will there be a change in step number 2?
No.
No. So add a to minus b. We'll do exactly same. Step number 3. If there is a carry, okay, then this part will not be done. Okay, so ये वाला part will be removed. Then add carry to the result. ये वाला part नहीं होगा. Directly you take what, just ignore it. If there is a carry, ignore the carry. Okay, either ignore it or you can drop it. Ignore the carry or drop the carry. Okay, so whatever is the result, that is positive result and it is its original magnitude. You don't have to do anything with it. उसके साथ कुछ खेल वेल नहीं खेलना आपको. Directly जो भी result आ रहा है, that is exactly the result that is supposed to be there. If there is a carry, ignore the carry part. Second part is, if there is no carry, then the number is negative and its value will be, instead of 1's complement, it will be 2's complement of the number. So this is the only changes that is supposed to be there. Is it clear? I'll repeat again. Step number 1, take 2's complement of b. Step number 2, add a to minus b. Step number 3, if there is a carry, ignore the carry. The result is positive and it is actually its magnitude. Step number 3 mein agar if there is no carry, in that case the number is negative, and since the number is negative, that means its original value will be nothing but it will be 2's complement of the result. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll do the same thing. Yeah, 7 minus 2 हमें करना है. Okay, I'll just remove it. I'll just remove everything. Yeah, we need to do 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 मुझे करना है. Okay, by using 2's complement method. So right now what I'm doing is nothing but it is 2's complement method. Okay. So 7 minus 2 करने के लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? I need to write down 7. How to write down 7? It will be 0, 1, 1, 1. Yeah. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
How to write down 2? How to write down 2?
0 0 1 0.
0 0 1 0. How to get minus 2? Now listen carefully. This minus 2 is nothing but 2's complement of
2's
2.
complement.
2's complement of 2. What is 2's complement of 2? How to get 2's complement of 2? So 2 का 1's complement आपको लेना पड़ेगा और उसके अंदर 1 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. या तो आसान तरीका क्या है, जब तक
नहीं आता तो
1 नहीं आता
कर
तब
देने
तक
का
आपको कॉपी करना पड़ेगा. So 0 1 तक आपने कॉपी किया, इसके आगे के बिट को क्या करना पड़ेगा?
Switch 1 1.
Flip. So it will be 1 1. So this is what you get as a minus 2. Now try to add these two digits. So 0 1 1 1 and 1 1 0. Try to add it. What we'll get as the answer? 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0. Carry 1. 1 1 1 is nothing but 1. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0. There is a carry which is included. So carry अगर है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? What you need to do is
Ignore.
Ignore the
ignore or drop. Okay, whatever is the value that you have got, that is a positive value and it's true value. What is its true value? It is
5.
5.
0 1 0 1 is 5. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we'll do the reverse way around. So 2 minus 7. So how to do that? The answer supposed to be coming is minus 5. So 2 is nothing but it is 0, 0, 1, 0. What is 7? 7 can be written down as 0, 1, 1. What is minus 7? Over here, minus 7 is nothing but 2's complement of 7. What is 2's complement of 7?
Two's
So till
complement.
1 you copy, rest you need to flip. So it will be 0, 0, 1. Yeah? Are you guys getting the same thing? 1, 0, 0, 1?
Yes, sir.
Try to add it. Try to add it. So 0, 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 0, 1. Just add it. So 0 plus 1 is nothing but a 1. 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. 0 plus 0 is nothing but 0. And 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. Is there a carry? There is no carry. If there is no carry, that means the number is
Negative.
negative. If the number is negative, that means this value is not its true value. इसका क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? 2's complement लेना पड़ेगा. Get its 2's complement. So till you get the first one, you just copy. After that, you need to flip. So this one will become 0. This 0 will become 1. This one will become 0. So this is nothing but 5. This is nothing but minus 5. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Was it simple? Was it simple?
Yes, sir.
It is simple, but it requires a lot of practice. Okay, so just do some practice. Okay, थोड़े बड़े number ले लेना. Okay, 42 plus 27, yeah, minus 27, 42 minus 27, 31 minus 16. Do such type of numbers. Okay, it will be working on the same philosophy. Nothing changes. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much. You can leave if you have any doubts. Stay behind. Rest of you guys can leave. I'm sorry for taking extra time.